the all-new high-resolution Camcorder 8, a great companion for video on the go. Incredible 640 by 480 VGA resolution and 8 GB of internal memory make this the most powerful camcorder yet. At the touch of a button, hours of sharp, clear video and high-fidelity sound are recorded, then later downloaded to your PC using the included USB connector. The internal battery is quickly charged by the AC charger or USB for 2 full hours of recording. Don't miss another video opportunity. Be ready with a Camcorder 8. Here are some sample videos. We think you'll be impressed.
Skylar, what are you doing? What are you playing? You playing Hearts on the PC? Are you doing good? Are you winning? Huh? And you've been playing Scrabble too?